two have a lot in common. Small town heroes, believing the truth, not willing to back down. How's it end? It's not about the ending, it's about the journey.